Today we're making bread. This is a Tuscan style bread with Italian herbs in the dough. This bread has a wonderful flavor and a wonderful texture, and it goes with all of your meals and your soups and your stews. It's great for making sandwiches, great for making toast. Let me slice into this bread and show you the texture. Perfect crumb, light and delicate. You can knead this bread by hand, or you can use your stand mixer with the dough hook. For today's video, I'm going to film this up close and I'm going to knead this by hand. So let's get started making this wonderful loaf of bread. Light and delicate Tuscan bread filled with Italian herbs.